What's going on, everybody? We are in Nevada. This is the second opener for Nevada. The first spot we hunted had an earlier opening date than this area. So tomorrow is the opening day for this area. It's also my birthday. So we're here the day before. Just kind of built this makeshift blind. As you can see, there's really not very much cover. So we just took as many of these sticks as we could, made up a little blind, and we've had ducks. Like thousands and thousands and thousands of ducks flying over us all day. We'll see you in the morning. All right, it's shoot time. These are crows. I got one in the water. Right, shoot. Got him.
Dan killed one.
Green-winged teal, first of the year. Green-wing.
Nice. We got signal.
Oh.
Kill him too.
Kill this one, Jack.
Nice. Who killed that one?
This is a double effort.
Double pounder. Fast action. Here, two on the left.
Okay, big group right there. Big group above us. There's ducks everywhere. Jack.
Right here.
Shoot him.
Got him.
Dumped him. Nice shot.
Him.
You've got the most species now.
Yeah. It's still alive. Could you tell what type of bird that was? No clue.
Maybe a ringneck? I don't know. Can't really tell. Maybe green wing.
Yeah, they're coming in low if they're still coming this way.
Click. Oh. Got one coming straight over. Oh, shit. Wait. Greenheads, baby. That's what we like to see. Drake Millardo. Hey! Mallards, bro. Look at that. Boy, for an October bird, he's darn pretty. Oh, timber! Got yourself a green winged teal. Those are gonna make great jalapeno poppers. So was that one. Me and Robbie double tapped that last one. You shot more birds looking for this one bird than you have in the blind. You shot that one mallard, and we shot that mallard like a second after.
Because I looked, I turned around and saw you both jump up.
That's awesome. Gonna go see if we can find this wounded bird we shot earlier. Landed somewhere back here.
Get him, Danny.
Oh! Red Bull in hand!
Landed right in the line. Go get him. Go get him.
Yeah! That's how we do it in the old NV, baby. Got her in an artery, boys.